will open this nice big George. Yeah? It's a very big box, so I have to have the children to open. Because this is too big. This box is too big. So what first we got to find? It is. Ooh. It's the top, yeah. Then floor head. Just like this.
Look, I found this.
This is a big floor head. Yeah. Yeah. You want to play with this? Here you go. Up. Then this. Wow. Should be for the car. Oh. Very big. This is a simple hose. A simple hose. And this is for the water hose. This is for the water. This is for the water. This is quite different than another ones. And we got a liquid. Wow. Liquid.
I found the water.
And this is also for the water. Oh, I'm really waiting when I can use this. This is on it. And one more pipe. Handle pipe. Wow. And the metal pipe. And this is the very not yet. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4 bags. 4 bags we got. HEPA 4 bags. Very good. And ta-da!
A George!
A George! A very big George. We got the very big. Oh, that's it. Wow! A beautiful one. A very beautiful George. What we got? Yes! It's a very long hose. You can see it's very long. We can't wind up, this is not that kind of, it's not Henry. And we got on the back two buttons.
Mommy, this one.
One is for the water and one is for the dry. One is the wet and one is the dry. Very cool.
Mommy.
So, wow, this is our new family member. George Numatic. Wow, we are so happy with this. Is it? We are so happy with this? Wow! Do you like this? It's a brand new, very shiny, very cool.
I found this one.